Hi there lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today let's make some jerk stewed chicken. So I am using drumettes to make the jerk stewed chicken. My husband and son love spicy food, okay? So I'm gonna really spice it up for them today. Let me see what their thoughts on this one. All right, if you guys do not like spice, you can just omit the jerk, the hot jerk seasoning that I'm using. All right, so you're gonna season your chicken, add some soy sauce, and I'm also gonna add some hot spicy jerk seasoning to the chicken, and I'm going to season well. I did add a little bit of mustard, and I let this marinate for like an hour or so. Then to my pan, I'm going to add some oil, and I go in with the chicken. After about 10 minutes, I go in with some tomato paste and allow this to cook for an additional 3 minutes. Then I add some diced onions and some potatoes. Make sure to stir well, make sure everything is coated really well. So now I'm going to add some corn, which I cut up, and some green bell peppers. And for this one, I'm going to use frozen peas and carrots, but you can use just the carrots if you have them. Coat everything well. Add your stock or water. Make sure to adjust your seasoning here. Looks good. After about 25 minutes, make sure the potatoes are nice and soft, and the corn are nice and soft as well. This looks amazing, guys. This was super spicy, OMG. But nevertheless, it was absolutely delicious. All right, it was spicy, but not to the point where you can't taste the deliciousness in the food. You know what I mean? Yeah, so do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys for spending the time with me today, and see you all on the next video. Bye bye.